Okay, folks, got it all cut up and rigged down. It was over here. It knocked out the one of the satellites. It did puncture the roof right here. Stabbed in there. Might be some damage right there on the roof too. Yeah. Damage to the top, the shingles. But yeah, that's a good 30, 35 feet. This Nola maple snapped right here, and it flew over there. So the wind was coming really strong. This way. This is southwest. So yeah, southwest to northeast. Interesting how it whipped around there. But you can see this tree is a lot of problems and weaknesses. I'm actually going to recommend we remove this whole tree. I don't know if they're going to. This is a historic neighborhood, so they may not, judging based on the maple out front there too. There's a really gnarly maple that's the trunk is standing, but it's very gnarly. It's still alive somehow, but it's really hollow. I mean, it's mainly hollow. So this tree, obviously, there's many weaknesses on it. You can see visually rot, decay, improper cuts. Just the species of it, you know, it's a Nola maple, so they like to grow really fast and then split really fast. And the other side of the tree, one of the trunks down there actually split out like a big one years ago, probably fell over there. So yeah. No damage done. Straightened out the gutter. Rigged it out right there. Okay, critical tree care. Thanks, guys.